everyone, it's Jennifer, and it's December 2nd, and it is time to do the Halloween Christmas Advents. I'm thinking of my t-shirt. It's Seasons Creepings, and it's got Sally and Zero on it, and it says, ho ho, oh no. I don't know why I got Halloween on the mind. Oh, so let's start with Southern Skeins, which I set over to the side. And let's undo the bow real quick and open it up, reach right in, and grab day 2. Grab day 2. I'll tie that back up so we can get onto it and see what's in there. I don't have Haverland again until it comes back in the mail, because remember, that is a weekly one. So this is day 2. I'm real excited. It even says day 2. Ooh. Somewhere on there, day 2. So let's check this out. Oh, that's real pretty. So this is day 2. This one was day 1. So there's day 1, day 2. Pusheen, quit knocking stuff over. And then we'll go on to our hemline, which was the sewing one, and it has boxes. And in this box is a tomato pincushion. That is always helpful. We always need a pincushion, because even in crochet, I use little pins to hold my amigurumis together. So there's the tomato pincushion. And yesterday I got some gold thread, so there we go. Set those aside. And onto the woobles. I gotta find day 2. I'm sure you guys have already seen it before I have, because there's day 1, and here's day 2 down here. Day 2 is right here. Make sure there's nothing else in the box. So there's day 2. I'll have to remember it's done in a big thing. So day 2, we got a needle, and this is red, and this is white. So red, white, and a needle. So that's really cool. So that's the Advents for today. So I really like those. These Wooble Advent calendars have been sold out for a while. The hemlines are not sold out, so you can still grab one if you'd like. They're really nice, and I like those. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, I'll be yarning. Bye now.